So this is New Zealand. I was trying to change the battery for this one, and I bought a battery for this car. Well, what happens is I was trying to change it. Now it's on, as you can see, but I turned this car off, and as you can see, the weather is a bit cloudy, so weather keeps on changing every 15 minutes. So what happens is I opened the boot. I came home, I opened the boot, and I started ripping this off, unscrewing this off, and then completing that, I had to unscrew these little screws from the battery from both sides to take out the battery, and then I had to unscrew this, but I haven't had the actual tools, so I went in to bring this. But meantime, what happens is I open these two by using one of the tools, but because the screw was a bit longer here, so I couldn't unscrew that, so I had to find a plier for this. So when I went inside to bring this plier, I already unscrewed this, and I removed that and removed the other one, so the battery connection was out now for the car. And then I didn't know that I never realized that there is no plug in here, like put on for the car to remove the car boot. Normally it's here or there, but I didn't know that it's not there in this car. So what I did, I closed the boot, and then I don't know how to open it because I couldn't find any keyholes in here, and then I couldn't find any inside the car over there. So now I had to somehow, and I have seen all the YouTube videos, they are all showing different options and different stuff. But then I started looking for the specific model. Now this car is Mazda Axela, but need to search for Mazda Axela or Mazda 3 because I couldn't find any Mazda Axela with a boot on. So normally they are hatchback. So everyone is showing different options, but nothing was working for me. So a lot of people are asking on YouTube for this, how to, it's done. That's why I'm making this video. This is my first 2 or 3 videos that I'm making. This is the driver's seat. So back passenger seat, from the driver's seat, there is this hatch. And if you open this, you will see this thing. So if you open that, the very left one behind the driver's seat, and then there is a lock in there which you can easily see. I opened that. Once you open that, then you have to very carefully take this small tray kind of part out with the screw in. Don't drop it inside because then it's going to be very hard for you to take it out. So once you have taken that out, there is a small piece which you have to move towards the left. I tried doing it without taking this out, but I couldn't do it, so that's why I had to unscrew the whole thing. But you can try doing it without this. After watching my video, you will get to know where that part is beneath this. So if you can, without unscrewing this, if you can move that little lock towards the left, then the boot might open without you doing any hard work. So that's it, and that's how I opened my car boot. And now I've just plugged the battery on, so everything is working for now. Thank you.